Hi, this is Kapil. Meatballs, these tiny bundles of joy with gooey center of cheese, are an absolute delight. So today I'm going to make mozzarella stuffed cheese balls. So easy to make yet very delicious. Let's start. So here in a pan, just little oil and cooking butter. Let it melt. Next I'll add chopped onions, pinch of salt, and I'm going to saute onion for a minute till they are pink and translucent. Here we'll not fry onions too much because in this sauce I want sweetness of onions. And now I'll add garlic, finely chopped. Saute for 30 seconds till the raw garlic smell is gone. And next I'll add chopped tomatoes. Cook tomatoes for a minute till they are slightly soft. Tomatoes are slightly softened. Next I'll add tomato puree. Tomato puree gives the desired sourness to this sauce. I'll add red chili flakes, oregano, little sugar, or you can add honey as well for balance of flavors. Now mix everything. Now I'll adjust the consistency of the sauce with some water. And now we have to cover it. And now move on to the main part, meatballs. So here I have mozzarella cheese. So for the stuffing, I'll cut it in tiny cubes. In a bowl, I'll add chicken mince. You can use goat mince or any other mince you want. So here goes. And into this, I'm going to add breadcrumbs. Initially, I'll add in small quantity chopped onions for nice crunch and bite. Garlic. You can use any herb you want. You can use fresh herbs or dried herbs. So here goes. I'm using fresh parsley chopped. And of course, I'm going to season it with salt as per taste. Now mix everything together till it's nicely combined, and you do it with hands, and it's ready because it's not sticking that much to our hands. So now I'll take small portions of the mixture, we'll roll it into meatballs, stuff the mozzarella cheese inside the ball, seal it, and roll it again, and it's done. And in the same way, I'm going to make all the meatballs. So in another pan, I'll add oil, just enough to sear meatballs. Oil is hot. Now we'll add meatballs. And you should hear the searing sound. Meatballs are cooked perfectly nice and golden brown in color. Now switch back to sauce. Let the meatballs absorb sauce for a minute. There is no further cooking required. And now we'll switch off the flame and serve. These meatballs in the luscious tomato sauce is already looking so delicious. So you can make this as a party snacks. It's going to be showstopper dish for sure. For the final touches, I'm going to garnish mozzarella cheese on top. That's it. And a sprig of parsley. So do try this cheesy and delicious recipe of mozzarella stuffed meatballs. It's so easy and very delicious. Share your feedback with me. Until then, take care and goodbye.